Yeah.
What, you sure? I didn't think you were exposed to anything.
I'm taking precautions as necessary because of an incident that did occur. I did come into possible contact.
It's an incident what?
Circumstances are not important right now. I've briefed the XO and we both thought that it was best that I join you in here. There's a chance she's been exposed.
Brief the XO.
That's right.
Anything I might need to know about from a fisheries point of view?
No, not really.
Not really?
I told the ex how I picked up your jacket by mistake. The possible contamination risks.
Yeah, right.
The only way she could have contracted the virus is through that guy.
What makes you say that?
Well, look at him. I mean, he's the only one that she's had contact with.
Besides yourself?
Oh, mate, you can count me out.
What, the Nav and him? No.
So you haven't incriminated anyone?